Today's tutorial, we're going to talk a little bit about making a plan. As you prepare for registration coming up, it's important that you think about what you'd like to register. You create your plan in your self-service register. You can send your plan for both fall, spring, and even your summer classes to your advisor to have them approve that and move your hold so that you can actually register on your ticket day. So to start out, you're going to direct your browser to mydsu.dsu.edu. You'll log into your MyDSU portal. It'll take you here. You'll click on the Dakota State icon, and then you'll add your Trojan email login, so your regular Trojan email, and then the password that you use. On this page, you will click on the self-service registration found in the middle, and here you're going to click on Plan Ahead. At that time, it's going to ask you for the terms or the term that you would like to plan for. So any term that's listed here, you can plan for, with the exception of the current term you're in. So right now, we could plan for the summer 2020, fall 2020, and spring 2021. So this spring, when your time ticket opens, you will be able to register for a full schedule for fall and a full schedule for spring. You can currently register for your summer classes now or at your time ticket as well. Enter the term in which you are planning to look at for courses. We're going to enter 2020 summer. And then, just like you would if you were registering, you're going to enter the subject in which you'd like to search and the course number if you have one, and then click on Search. You're then going to click on View Sections to look at specific section dates, time, instructors, etc. here. When you expand to View Selections, make sure to note the university and section. The DSU course will be listed as DSU Dakota State University, and in the section, the course will start with a DT. All of the South Dakota Board of Regents schools are listed here. So the other ones that are circled, you can see one is a Black Hills class and one is a Northerns class. So you'll want to make sure that you're looking for those DSU courses. Once you find an open section and the course that you would like to add for your plan, you will simply click the Add button. If you click the arrows in the middle of your page, it will show you the breakdown. So if this wasn't an online class, it would show you in that calendar the days and times, and it would show you that your course that you've added is pending. So to save this course, you must click Save Plan. As you save your plan, label it with something like the term and year so that you can find it easily when you look for it. After you click on Search Results, you will then click on the green Search Again button in the top right corner. You will return to this screen and be able to enter in the courses in which you would like to search. Now that you've added the courses selected, you will have to remember to click Save Plan one more time, and then you will click on Student in the top left of your page. This brings you back to your main menu. If you are ready to register, you then click on Register for Classes from this specific menu. You will select the term in which you wish to register, and since we have created a plan for 2020 summer, we'll want to make sure that we select that 2020 summer and then click on Continue. Now in the top left side of your page, you will click on Plans from the menu, and then you can either click Add All if you know all of the courses that you have listed here you would like to add, or you can individually select Add if you have more than one class, more than one section, or alternatives. The courses have now been added to your summary, but they are not registered for until you click on Submit. Once you click on Submit, you are successfully registered. You will be able to see this as a status registered in green. If there are any issues, you would receive a red warning at the top right hand of the page. Now you want to create a plan for fall or spring. You'll click on Plan Ahead. You want to select that fall 2020 from your drop-down menu to create your 2020 plan. You'll click Create a New Plan, and then you're going to search for the courses in which you'd like to register. A couple of big things to remember. Remember to click on View Selections to see the full list of courses. Remember to look at which university is offering the course. Remember to look for prerequisites or co-requisites or other critical course information by clicking into the course itself and reading the details. Split your screen so that you can see the live days and times and know how they interact with each other, and then click Add to put them in your plan. Don't forget to click on Save Plan, and that to get back to the Search New Classes, you click on the Catalog Search Results on the left, and then Search Again, the green button on the right. Always clicking Add to put new courses in your pending plan, and then clicking on Save Plan. Also remember that this is just a plan, so you can add courses as options or alternatives, and to take them out of your plan, you just move your action to remove and then click on Save Plan. It's a good idea to always have a few alternative courses in mind when you're starting your registration, in the chance that a course is full or not offered, or that the times just don't work well together. Another thing to remember is that for any course that has a lab, like a science course, you need to also search and add in the lab time. In this picture, you can see I've added Biology 151, the course, and now I am searching for Biology 151L. The L will pull the lab courses that are offered. As you can see in the schedule, the lab times overlap with course times. Now you can go back to your search and search for a new class time for a different course or an alternative class. Now I have a new class time for CSC 163, and I can click to add or remove the course from my plan below, and then finalize my plan by clicking on Save Plan. And then I go back to the main menu. Now I can plan for spring 2021 in the exact same way. I'm clicking on Plan Ahead, I'm selecting spring from my drop-down menu, I'm creating a new plan, I'm searching and adding in all the courses that I'd like in my spring semester. Don't forget to click on Save Plan, and then click on the student link at the top left-hand side of the page. These do not save unless you click Save Plan. When your time ticket for fall and spring semester opens, you can come into your home page, click on Register for Classes, and then you will pick the term in which you'd like to register. You will have to complete each semester registration separately, but remember your time ticket opens for you to register for fall and spring semesters, so you should register for both. Currently, you can already register for summer courses. When you come into the next page, on the top left side of the page, you will click on Plans. You'll want to double check that the term you are trying to register is listed there. To add the courses, you can click on Add All if you know that you want them all and all are open, or you can click Add next to each individual course in your list. These courses have been added to your summary but are not registered until you click on Submit. Lastly, remember to look at the status after you hit Submit. It should move to Registered and be in green. If it doesn't, then you need to read the warning on the top right-hand side of the page and solve the error. Planning ahead can help take the stress out of your registration process and make it much easier. A few other reminders. Send your plans to your advisor so you can be sure that you have what you need and your advising hold is removed. Try to register for a minimum of 15 credits each semester unless you and your advisor have discussed an alternative plan. Always have alternative classes picked out in the chance that something you first thought doesn't work. And don't forget to look for those pre or co-requisites by reading into the course details. And as always, just ask your advisor if you have any questions. Thank you.